Do you have a favorite purse that's peeling? Before you toss it, try this simple fix using acrylic paint and fabric medium. I'll show you how I turned this beat-up bag into a one-of-a-kind piece. The first thing we need to do is to remove any loose or flaking faux leather. I used a blunt palette knife to scrape away the silver areas. I was being very careful to not puncture the purse. This took me a while, so you will need some patience if you try this. I also used a damp cloth to remove some of the flakes. I let the purse dry overnight before proceeding to the next step. To protect the areas that I was not painting, I applied some masking tape. As a tip for you, do not apply masking tape over the faux leather areas, as you may lift the finish. For the design, I debated between white and a light buttermilk paint. And in the end, I decided on the light buttermilk since the purse had an aged look to it. Mix your acrylic paint with a fabric medium, about 1 part paint to 1 part medium. This will help keep the finish flexible. I used a nylon brush to apply the paint. You want to apply a thin layer at a time. Let it dry in between. I ended up applying 4 coats of the light buttermilk to the sections. Once each layer was dry, I sanded any rough spots with a fine sanding disc, and then I removed the residue. Now I'm painting the last layer. So this is my 4th time painting the light buttermilk, and it's looking pretty good. If you were adding a second color, then you want to do the same process. You want to add the paint to the fabric medium, 1-to-1 ratio. For my design, I decided to go with Mars Black. I decided to paint a zebra pattern to match other areas of the purse. Now this is where you can get very creative. You can add your spin on your purse, like flowers, abstract art. How about an inspirational saying? Or just a big pop of color and give your purse some personality. I will speed up this process for you. For the last step, I am going to seal the paint with Mod Podge made for fabric. The Mod Podge will dry clear. Here's the final result, way better than peeling faux leather. And now it's a one-of-a-kind purse, and the owner loves it. If you're into reviving old items with paint and imagination, subscribe for more creative DIY makeovers. This bag was made to matter.